Alright, the first thing you're going to notice is that I'm in an incognito tab with Google Chrome. And don't worry about that, you can use regular Google, I'm just doing it so that it doesn't show any of my information. Go to google.com and then Gmail. Create account. You can put your information in here. Whenever you're going to choose what's going to come before your @gmail.com, don't pick anything too weird. Absolutely don't put anything inappropriate. This is going to be an email that you'll be sharing with classmates, possibly other professional uses as well. So make sure that it's something that is professional to a degree. If you don't want to use your own name, if you're not comfortable with that, that's fine. Make it whatever you want. Just make it something that isn't going to offend anyone or make you seem like you're unprofessional in any way. And then you can choose your password. Make sure it's at least 8 or more characters. Put a nice mix of numbers. Put a couple of letters in there that maybe are mixed up in a certain way, and a symbol or two if you want as well. It's really up to you, whatever you're going to remember that Google is going to approve based on these parameters. Alright, the next window you're going to see will be some additional basic information. You do have a recovery email address that you want to put in there. Just go ahead and enter that in. Other than that, just put your birth date in there. And then click this. Alright, once you have all that in, you can click next. This is something, if you're under 18, make sure that you have your parent or guardian's permission, and that is going to entail having them read through this and make sure that they agree to it, make sure that you agree to it. If everybody agrees to it, click I agree. Alright, here is our sort of welcome message to Google. Click OK. You can choose whichever one of these you prefer. We're just going to go with default for this one. We're going to go up here and we're going to search for a classroom. Just going to verify that this is the account you want to use. Click continue. And you will have received from me a class code if you've been invited to join a class. If so, we're going to put that in here. Click join class. And this is where you can enter it. You can copy and paste it in, you can type it in yourself, whatever you want to do. And then click join. And that's going to take you to the next window. Okay, here we are. So we are in test class section 1, and the actual class that you'll see will be completely decked out with everything that we need. There will be ways for you to communicate with me, there will be ways for me to comment on your work, for you to turn it in, for you to see your grades, everything like that. And that's information for another video, but for now I hope that this has been enough to show you just how to create a Gmail account and how to then access your Google Classroom with me, and I look forward to seeing you in class.